Hello friends, welcome in Bangladesh Math Academy. Today in this session we are going to study second chapter quadratic equation. Let's start. In previous chapter we studied linear equations with index 1. So second chapter is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means an equation with one variable having highest index is 2 is called as quadratic equations. So first of all we will see standard form of the quadratic equation or general form of the quadratic equation. Standard form of quadratic equations: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a general form. If b is equal to 0, then equation becomes ax square plus c is equal to 0. So x square plus c is equal to 0. This is also a quadratic equation. If c is equal to 0, then equation becomes ax square plus bx is equal to 0. So this one is also a quadratic equation. If b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0, then equation becomes ax square is equal to 0. This is also a quadratic equation. So see, condition is highest index of the variable is 2 and equation having only one variable. So in this equation x is variable and a, b, c are: a is quadratic coefficient, b is linear coefficient and c is constant term. So a is quadratic coefficient, b is linear coefficient and c is constant term. So condition is variable is 1 and highest index of the variable is 2. So in this chapter we will learn how to solve the quadratic equations and how to find the nature of the roots and methods of solving quadratic equation and application of quadratic equation. Practice set 2.1. First example, write any two quadratic equation. So this question is open-ended question, means we can write any two quadratic equation. So general form of a quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we have to write down any two quadratic equation. So write x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, 2x square plus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0. Question 2. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. First example, x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to decide this equation is a quadratic or not. So write down given equation, x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. See, in this equation there is x is only one variable with index 2. So in this equation x is the only variable with maximum index is 2. If we compare given equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we can say that given equation is a quadratic equation. So given equation is a quadratic equation. Then see second example, y square is equal to 5y minus 10. Write down given example, y square is equal to 5y minus 10. So first of all, transfer 5y minus 10 to LHS, y square. We transfer 5y to LHS, it becomes minus 5y. Then we transfer minus 10 to LHS, it becomes plus, is equal to 0. Then see, in this equation y is the only variable with highest index is 2. So in this equation y is the only variable with highest index is 2. And if we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we can say that this equation is a quadratic equation. So given equation is a quadratic equation. Then see third example, y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. Write down given example as it is. Y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. To eliminate this y, multiply each term of the equation by y. Multiply each term of equation by y. So y into y square plus y into 1 upon y is equal to y into 2. Then see, y into y square, y cube plus y get cancelled, so plus 1 is equal to y into 2y, then transfer 2y to LHS, it becomes minus y cube minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then see, if we observe this equation, in this equation there is y is only one variable, but highest index of the variable is 3. So in this equation, highest index of the variable is 3, but highest index of the variable is not 2. So therefore given equation is not a quadratic equation. Fourth example, x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. Write down given example as it is. X plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. We have to decide given equation is a quadratic equation or not. So to eliminate this x, multiply each term by x. Multiply each term by x. Then x into x plus x into 1 upon x is equal to minus 2 into x. X into x, x square plus x get cancelled, here remains 1 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 2x, then transfer minus 2x to LHS, it becomes plus x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. If we observe this equation, so there is only one variable, that is x, and highest index of the variable is 2. So x is the only variable with highest index is 2. If we compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, so it is in the general form of the quadratic equation. So it is a quadratic equation. Then see fifth example, into one bracket m plus 2 into m minus 5 is equal to 0. First of all, write down given example as it is. M plus 2 into m minus 5 is equal to 0. Simplify this. M into m minus 5 plus 2 into m minus 5 is equal to 0. Simplify this. M into m square minus m into 5m plus 2 into m 2m plus into minus 2 into 5 10 is equal to 0. Simplify this. M square minus 5m plus 2m minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0. See, in this equation m is the only variable with highest index is 2. or if we compare this with general form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Then see next example. M cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 3m cube. We have to decide whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So write down given example as it is and transfer 3m cube to LHS. M cube 3m cube transfer to LHS, it becomes minus 3m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Simplify this. M cube minus 3m cube minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. If we observe this equation, see highest index of the variable, highest index of the variable is 3. So if we compare this with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, so condition is highest index of the variable is 2. So it is not quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Write down given example or take a screenshot. Question 3. Write the following equations in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then write the values of a, b, c for each equation. First equation is 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. First of all, write down given example as it is. 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. So transfer 10 minus y square to LHS, it becomes plus, minus y square transfer to LHS, it becomes plus y square plus 2y, transfer plus 10 to LHS minus 10 is equal to 0. Then see, compare this equation, compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So value of a is 1, value of b is plus 2, value of c is minus 10. Then see second example, write down x minus 1 bracket square is equal to 2x plus 3. We have to compare this equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and we have to write down values of a, b and c. So expand this with by using formula a minus b bracket square. A minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. By using this expansion formula, expand this. So x minus 1 bracket square is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 square means 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. Then transfer 2x plus 3 to LHS, it becomes minus x square minus 2x plus 1 transfer plus 2x to LHS, it becomes minus, transfer plus 3 to LHS, it becomes minus is equal to 0. Then simplify this, x square minus 2x minus 4x plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. We convert the given equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Value of a is 1. Value of b is minus 4. Value of c is minus 2. Then third example. Write down given example as it is. X square plus 5x is equal to minus into bracket 3 minus x. Then simplify this. X square plus 5x is equal to minus 3 minus into minus plus x. Then transfer minus 3 plus x to LHS. It becomes minus 3 becomes plus, and plus x transfer to LHS, it becomes minus, is equal to 0. Simplify this. X square plus 5x minus x plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we convert the given equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then value of a is 1. Value of b is plus 4. Value of c is plus 3. Write down given example or take a screenshot. Fourth example, 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. Write down given example. 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. Transfer 2m square minus 9 to LHS. 3m square minus 2m square plus 9 is equal to 0. Simplify. 3m square minus 2m square, subtraction of this m square plus 9 is equal to 0. Write down given equation in the standard form. Here middle term is absent. M square plus 0m plus 9 is equal to 0. Then compare given equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Value of a is 1. Value of b is 0. Value of c is 9. Then see fifth example. P into bracket 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. Write down given example as it is. Phi into bracket 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. Simplify this. P into 3, 3p plus p into 6p, 6p square is equal to minus 5. Transfer minus 5 to LHS. 3p plus 6p square plus 5 is equal to 0. Write down this quadratic term at their respective place. So 6p square plus 3p plus 5 is equal to 0. We convert the given equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So compare given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Value of a is 6. Value of b is 3 and value of c is 5. Then see sixth example. X square minus 9 is equal to 13. Transfer 13 to LHS. X square minus 9 minus 13 is equal to 0. Then x square minus 9 minus 13 minus 22 is equal to 0. See, in this equation middle term is absent, so write in the standard form x square plus 0x minus 22 is equal to 0. Then compare given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Value of a is 1, value of b is 0, and value of c is minus 22. Write down given example or take a screenshot. Fourth question. Determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. First equation, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0, and value of the variable is given, x is equal to 1 comma minus 1. We have to determine whether the following values are roots of the given equation or not. If we put value of the variable, then if equation satisfies, means LHS is equal to RHS. So consider LHS. Put x is equal to 1. LHS means left hand side is equal to LHS is x square plus 4x minus 5. Put value of x is 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5 is equal to 1 square 1 plus 4 into 1 4 minus 5 plus 1 plus 4 5 minus 5. Subtraction of this 5 minus 5 0 is equal to RHS. So x is equal to 1 is the root of given equation. X is equal to 1 is the root of given equation. Then consider next value, x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. Then consider LHS. LHS is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. Put x is equal to minus 1 minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 1 square 1 plus 4 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 is equal to plus 1 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9, 1 minus 9 minus 8. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So x is equal to minus 1 is not root of the equation. X square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Write down given example or take a screenshot. Second equation, 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0, and value of the variable m is given 2 comma 5 upon 2. We have to decide whether the given values of variable are roots of given equation or not. So put m is equal to 2. Consider LHS. LHS is 2m square minus 5m. Put value of m is 2. 2 into m square means 2 square minus 5 into 2 is equal to, simplify this, 2 into 2 square 4 minus 5 into 2 is equal to 2 into 4 8 minus 5 into 2 10. Subtraction of this 8 minus 10 minus 2. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So M is equal to minus 2 is not the root of given quadratic equation. Then puts M is equal to 5 upon 2. Consider LHS is equal to 2m square minus 5m. 2 into value of m is 5 upon 2 bracket square minus 5 into value of m is 5 upon 2. Then simplify this. 2 into squaring this, 5 square 25 upon 2 square 4, 25 upon 4 minus product of this 5 into 5, 25 upon 2. Then by simplify, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 into 25, 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2. See, here denominators of both fractions are same, so we can take subtraction of numerator. 25 minus 25 upon 2 is equal to 25 minus 25, 0 upon 2. 0 upon 2 means 0. So we get LHS is equal to RHS. So M is equal to 5 upon 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. Write down given example. Fifth example, find k if x is equal to 3 is the root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. See, in this equation x is equal to 3 is root of the given quadratic equation. Is the root means is a solution of given equation. So x is equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 3 in equation. Write down given equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 3, k into 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Simplify this. K square into 3 square 9 minus 10 into 3 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. K into 9 9k minus 30 plus 3 minus 27 is equal to 0. Transfer minus 27 to RHS. 9k is equal to 27. Then transfer 9 to RHS. K is equal to 27 upon 9. By cancelling 9 1 the 9, 9 3 the 27. So we get value of k is 3. Sixth example, one of the roots of equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. We have to find out value of k. So minus 7 upon 5 is the root of the given equation. So write down here minus 7 upon 5 is the root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. Put m is equal to minus 7 upon 5 in the equation. So put minus 7 upon 5 at the place of m. 5 into minus 7 upon 5 bracket square plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Simplify this. 5 into square of minus 7 upon 5. Square of negative integer is a positive. So square of minus 7 upon 5 is 49 upon 25 plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. By cancelling 5 on the 5, 5 the 25. 49 upon 5 plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Then in this box write down 49 upon 5 plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5. 2 into minus 7 minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Simplify this. 49 upon 5 plus into minus minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. See, denominator of this both fractions are same, so we can take subtraction of numerator. 49 minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. 49 minus 14, subtraction of this 35 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. By cancelling 5 on the 5, 5 7 the 35. So 7 plus k is equal to 0. Transfer 7 to RHS, it becomes minus k is equal to minus 7. Write down given example or take a screenshot. In this video we have completed all examples of practice set 2.1. If you have any doubt, write in the comment box. Please like, share and comment the video and subscribe Bangeez Math Academy to get the notifications of new videos and press the bell icon. Thank you.